Hello, this is James Smith at GANanalysis.net. Here's the website, GANanalysis.net. Register, you get a couple of free reports, and if you have a particular market that you really like, tell me what it is when you register, and I'll send you a chart on that market. Just make sure you fill in that place for the markets that you like. Okay, so today we're looking at Bitcoin, 144 weeks low to high. From the low of November 2022 to the high of mid-August was 144 weeks, low to high. Now, my clients knew about this up here. They knew that it was probably forming a top. And then now that you've seen this sell-off, remember this is end-of-day data. This is not showing today's sell-off. It's down here somewhere. This thing is likely headed down to 83,000, maybe to 41,000. I do have other support levels in my reports that I talk about. These are just 1/3 divisions of the high. So if you look at it and you go, hey, how far could it go down? Well, it's always a case of time and price. You're looking for cycles that cluster, that tell you when it's topping, and then you look for cycles that cluster that tell you when it's bottoming. So it's not a science. Sometimes you get it wrong. But clearly, in this case, the 144-week cycle called the top, and you can see what happened. You know, if you'd known about this cycle, would you have bought it up here? Probably not. I'm just saying, if you're trading crypto, and especially Bitcoin, and you don't know the Gann cycles, it's like crossing a stream and you don't know where the rocks are. Before you know it, you're going to be all wet. You're going to lose money trading. So it's important to know the cycles. Remember, with technical analysis versus fundamentals, people have arguments on both sides, but they're both useful. But when it comes to crypto, if you're not doing Gann, well, you're not in the game. You just don't know what time of day it is because you're not applying a lot of fundamental analysis to crypto. It's just not happening, right? It's just, maybe there are some fundamentals that apply, but for the most part, what you really need are the Gann cycles. So if you are into crypto, whether it's Bitcoin, Ether, Ripple, any of the many cryptocurrencies, you sign up, you tell me which one you're interested in, and I'll cover it for you. So that's as easy as it gets, and you save yourself a lot of money. How much money would you have saved by not buying Bitcoin up here? And knowing that it's going to sell off, now you want to know when is it going to bottom so that, hey, you can get ready and catch the low. That's what you want to do. Good luck with your trading. I hope this is helpful. Remember, register to the site and give us a like if you like this video, if you want me to keep doing it. Thanks.